Hello my friends, today I am going to start a new web series which contains news and headlines of the entire week with full coverage. So without further ado, let's get started. The first news is of course regarding Cyclone Tauktae. This name was given by Myanmar, which means gecko, which is a category of lizard in Myanmar. Cyclone Tauktae has been in discussions during the entire week. Originated in Arabian Sea, Tauktae becomes strongest tropical cyclone to make landfall in the Indian state of Gujarat since 1998 Gujarat cyclone. Tauktae intensified, reaching severe cyclonic storm status on May 15. It moved through the coast of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat, out of which Gujarat being worstly affected state. On Tuesday, severe cyclonic storm hit Gujarat coast between Diu and Una. Aftermaths of this cyclone include heavy rainfall and electricity disruption in various states, shutting of Ahmedabad and Mumbai airport, and halting of the vaccination drive in the Maharashtra. Evacuation of COVID-19 patients to other hospitals. Damaging of 69,000 poles in Gujarat. Visit and aerial survey by the PM Modi in cyclone-affected districts of Gujarat including Una, Diu, Jafrabad and Mahua. Rescue operations by Indian Navy and Indian Air Force from barge on the high sea. As cyclone continues to move toward northwards, NCR and other nearby areas issued orange alert on Wednesday. The next topic coming is Israel-Palestine conflict. Let us first of all understand how it is started. Sheikh Jarrah is neighborhood in East Jerusalem. Many Palestinian families from Sheikh Jarrah were ordered to leave their home by Israeli High Court by May 3, 2021. On 7th May, Palestinian people were protesting against this eviction, and this eviction turned violent. Stones were thrown. People from the both sides got injured. On 10th May 2021, Israeli police entered Al-Aqsa Mosque and fired rubber bullets to Palestinian peoples. After hearing the news of the mosque, the Hamas group gave ultimatum to Israeli government to withdraw Israeli police from the mosque or they would attack. After an hour, thousands of rockets were launched from the Gaza Strip by the Hamas groups, and in response, Israeli government also conducted many airstrikes to Gaza Strip. And finally, on 20th May, PM Benjamin Netanyahu's Security Council approved ceasefire to Gaza after heavy US pressure to halt 11-day military operation to Gaza Strip. The next news coming from Kerala, where Pinarayi Vijayan took oath as Kerala CM for the second time on May 20th. Grand oath-taking ceremony took place at 1 p.m. on the Central Stadium. In the cabinet, there is all new faces given the fact that second term to ministers from the previous cabinet is not allowed. Consequently, KK Selja, who had been renowned health minister of Kerala, is not there in the cabinet this time. Though she does not have any grudges for this policy decision, despite her exclusion from the cabinet drew strong reaction in social media. Another news coming from the West Bengal regarding Narda scam. The CBI on Monday arrested two West Bengal ministers, Subrata Banerjee and Firhad Hakim, ruling TMC MLA Madan Mitra and former Kolkata Mayor Sovan Chatterjee in connection with 2016 Narda sting operation case. To understand this, we have to go back to 2016, where in West Bengal, ahead of 2016 assembly election, Matthew Seminal from Narda news portal uploaded series of videos showing number of high-profile TMC leaders receiving money in exchange of favor to fictitious company. On 40th May, Kolkata High Court hand over this case to CBI. Governor Jagdeep Dhankar gave his consent to the CBI for filing charge sheet against these four accused and sanctioned prosecution against them. And finally, on Friday, Kolkata High Court sent four of them to house arrest.